Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. What did you do today?
I went to the park and walked my dog. It was a sunny day.
That sounds nice. I stayed at home and read a book.
Reading is fun. What book did you read?
I read a story about a brave knight. It was very interesting.
I like stories about knights. Did you enjoy the book?
Yes, I enjoyed it very much. After the book, I made a simple lunch.
What did you eat for lunch?
I made a sandwich and a salad. It was healthy and tasty.
That is good. I had a quick lunch too. I ate some fruit and a small snack.
Healthy food is important. What will you do in the afternoon?
I plan to visit my friend at his house. We will play some games.
That sounds fun. I might go for a walk in my neighborhood.
A walk is a good way to relax. The weather is very nice today.
Yes, it is a perfect day. Do you have any plans for the evening?
In the evening, I will watch a movie at home. I love movies.
I also like to watch movies. Which movie will you watch?
I will watch a comedy film. It is funny and very light.
That is great. I might watch a cartoon. Cartoons are always fun.
Yes, cartoons make me smile. What time will you eat dinner?
I usually eat dinner at 7 p.m. What about you?
I eat dinner at the same time at 7 p.m.
Maybe we can talk on the phone while we eat.
That is a good idea. I will call you at 7 p.m.
Perfect. I look forward to our call. Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I want to go to the market in the morning. I need to buy some vegetables.
I plan to visit my parents tomorrow. I will take a bus in the morning.
That is nice. I hope you have a good time with your parents.
Thank you, Tom. And I hope you find good vegetables at the market.
Yes, I always like fresh vegetables. They are healthy and tasty.
Do you want to meet at the park next week?
Yes, I would like that. We can walk and talk.
Great. Let us plan for next Wednesday at 3 p.m.
Wednesday at 3 p.m. is perfect for me.
I am happy we can meet. It is always good to spend time with friends.
I agree. Spending time with you makes my day better.
Thank you, Tom. I feel the same way. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to play football and ride my bicycle. What about you?
I like to draw and paint. I also enjoy listening to music.
Drawing and painting are creative hobbies. I love music too.
Yes, music makes me feel happy. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft rock. I also like some jazz.
That is nice. I like pop music and sometimes classical music.
Classical music is very calm. It is good to relax.
I listen to music when I paint. It helps me feel inspired.
I often play music while I cook. It makes cooking more fun.
Cooking is another good hobby. What do you like to cook?
I like to make simple dishes like pasta and salads. What about you?
I also like to cook. I make soups and stir-fry vegetables.
Healthy food is important. I try to eat fresh and natural food.
Me too. I always use fresh ingredients when I cook.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I try to exercise every day. I walk and sometimes run.
That is good. I also exercise by riding my bicycle and playing football.
Exercise is important for good health. It makes me feel energetic.
I feel great after a good workout. What time do you usually exercise?
I exercise in the morning before breakfast. And you?
I exercise in the evening after work. It helps me relax.
That is a good habit. I try to drink water and eat healthy food after exercising.
I do the same. I drink water and eat a light snack.
Do you read books or watch TV in your free time?
Yes, I read books and sometimes watch a little TV. What do you do?
I like to read novels and short stories. I also watch some educational programs.
Reading is a good way to learn new words. I love reading adventure stories.
Adventure stories are exciting. They make me dream of new places.
Where do you like to travel?
I like to travel to the mountains and the sea. I love nature.
I also like to visit natural places. The beach is my favorite.
The beach is very relaxing. I like to walk on the sand and swim in the sea.
I enjoy swimming and playing beach volleyball. It is fun.
Maybe we can plan a trip to the beach next month.
That is a great idea. We can go together and have a picnic.
Yes, a picnic at the beach sounds perfect. I will bring some fruit and snacks.
And I will bring a small speaker to play music.
I am excited about our trip. It will be a happy day.
I look forward to it. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes and food. I often go to the market.
I like to shop at the mall and sometimes at small local shops.
Shopping at local shops is fun. You can find unique items.
I agree. I often buy handmade crafts and fresh fruit at the local market.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza and pasta. I also like fresh salad and fruit.
I like sushi and stir-fry vegetables. I love eating healthy food.
Healthy food is important for good health. I try to eat a balanced diet.
Me too. I eat fruit, vegetables, and whole grains every day.
Do you like to go out to eat sometimes?
Yes, I enjoy going to a small restaurant with friends. It is fun to try new dishes.
I like to visit a cafe for a cup of coffee and a small snack.
That sounds nice. Maybe we can go to a cafe this weekend.
Yes, I would like that very much. What time do you usually go out on weekends?
I usually go out in the morning or early afternoon. And you?
I go out in the afternoon. We can meet at 2 p.m. on Saturday.
That is a good plan. I will see you at the cafe on Saturday at 2 p.m.
I am looking forward to it. Do you have a favorite season?
Yes, I like spring. The weather is mild and the flowers bloom.
I like spring too. I also like summer because I love the sun.
Summer is warm, but it can be very hot. I like to go to the beach in summer.
In winter, I like to drink hot chocolate and wear a warm coat.
Winter is cold, but it is also very beautiful with snow.
Autumn is nice too. The leaves change color and the air is cool.
Yes, autumn is very pretty. I like to take walks and see the colorful trees.
Every season has its own charm. I enjoy different activities in each season.
That is true. I plan to visit the park in spring to see the flowers.
I plan to go to the beach in summer and have a picnic.
I am happy we can talk about our day. It makes me feel closer to you.
I feel the same. Talking with you is always a pleasure.
Thank you, Tom. I enjoy our simple conversations.
Thank you, Alice. I always look forward to our chats. Do you have any questions about today's conversation?
Yes, I have a question. What does exercise mean?
Exercise means to do physical activities like walking, running, or playing sports. It helps you stay healthy.
I see. And what does hobby mean?
A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time, like painting, reading, or playing music.
That is clear. I like learning new words.
I like learning new words too. It makes our conversations interesting.
Thank you for explaining, Tom. I learn a lot from you.
You are welcome, Alice. I enjoy sharing information with you. I am happy we talked about our day today. It was simple and relaxed.
Yes, I agree. Our conversation was very pleasant. I feel calm and happy.
I also feel good after our chat. It is a nice way to practice English.
I always look forward to our conversations. They help me learn and make new friends.
Me too. Talking with you makes me better at speaking English.
Thank you, Tom. I enjoy every moment we spend together.
Thank you, Alice. I am glad we are friends. Do you want to practice English and become more fluent?
Yes, I do. I want to practice every day and learn new words.
I also want to practice. I will try to speak English more often.
Let us meet every week to talk and share our ideas.
That is a good plan. I will see you next week at the same time.
Yes, next week at 10 a.m. I am happy we can meet again.
Me too. I look forward to our next conversation.
Thank you for today, Tom. I had a great time talking with you.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our simple and friendly chat.
Have a nice day, Tom.
Have a nice day, Alice. See you soon.
Great job! Do you want to practice your English and become more fluent? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our free English conversations. See you in the next video.